Good morning, all my dear students. In previous two parts, we have studied that what is a resource. Anything which fulfill our need is a resource. Examples of resources in our surrounding and what is patent. In second video, we have studied types of resources. Natural resources, again classified into two subcategories, renewable and non-renewable resources. And human-made resources. And human itself as a resource. In today's third and last part of this chapter, resources, we will going to study conservation of resource and sustainable development. Let's start with conservation of resources. Conservation means judicious use. Now, why? Because resources are just for satisfied need, not over greed, and they are limited and can't be replenished quickly. So we have to conserve them. Now, how? How can we conserve a resource? How can you conserve water? How can you conserve cooking gas? How can you conserve petrol, food items, cereal pulses? You wonder that 1 kilogram of rice requires hundreds of liters of water to cook, to grow them. So I leave this question on you. Think various ways to conserve resources you use in your daily life. Now, the second part of our today's video is sustainable development. Before I start this, I want to tell you a story. Listen it carefully.
Once, a farmer lived in a village. He was very poor. His income was very small. He passed his days with difficulty. One day, someone gave him a hen. It gave a golden egg every day. He sold the egg every day. Soon, he became a rich man. All began to respect him in the village. He became greedy. He thought that inside the hen there must be a storehouse of golden eggs. He should get them in a day. Then he would be the richest man in the village. He took a knife and cut the stomach of the hen. He did not even get a single egg. He lost not only the golden eggs, but the hen also. Moral: greed is a curse.
लालच बुरी बला है. You must have laughed on the foolishness of the farmer, but in fact we are doing the same. If you have a marble mines, what will you do? There are two ways. First, you can dig out all the marble quickly in a short time and can live a luxurious life. Or you can dig out the marble to just fulfill your judicial or correct needs, so that you can use the marble as well as you conserve the marble in your minds for your future generations. So what is sustainable development? The sustainable development means use the resources in such a manner that you fulfill your present requirement, your present need, as well as you conserve the resource for your future generation. That is sustainable development. So, like this, we have finished this chapter in 3 parts. All dear students, I want you to go through all the videos thoroughly, read the chapter, each and every line of the textbook carefully, and today's your homework is to do all the question answers of your textbook. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.